Alright, guys, so the new campaign for the AJ Alpaca plush just released, and I'm recording this like right when it came out. Alright, so this is the thing. There's some music in the back. I'm going to open it. Alright, so here's some super important info by the devs. So I'll read this for you guys. So it says, AJ Alpaca and friends have entered the real world. Grab the AJ Alpaca plushie and avatar pin pack, available now on Makeshift. Search Team I2R on Makeshift.com to get yours. Each purchase adds coins to the community jar, helping unlock free in-game rewards for everyone. Work together to collect the piggy tokens, open the mysterious crate, and discover what's inside. So yeah, this AJ Alpaca thing is just like the Mr. P campaign, for the plush. So I might buy the AJ plush, and yeah, I'll see you guys later.